Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to do an autofill in a Google Sheets by iOS or iPhone. So first thing I have to do here is just go open the documents that I want to show you as an example today. So I already have the documents here. I have the name of students as well as the date. So here the function of the autofills. Okay, I would like to remind to you that when you work with the Google Sheets, mean that you will work with the cells, which is the combination between the columns and the rows. The columns will be in alphabet symbols, while the rows will be in the numbers symbols. So what is called by the cells is this: the combinations between the column and row. So when this active cell will be called A1 cells, this one will be called B2 cells, and so on and so on. So autofills will help you to fill all of the cells that you choose with the same function over the previous or the mother cells that you work with. Okay, so I would like to show you here. I want to add a number, so let's add a extra column on the right side, and I would like to type number here right there. And now I would like to add some data as a mother cells, so 1, 2 and 3, and it will be take too much time if you like do it manually typing the numbers in ordinary. So to fill all of this with the same function, you just need to go click this range from P4 cells to P28 cells, and after that you just need to simply click the cells, and after that there will be appear pop up the functions here: cut, copy, paste, autofill, and clear. The things you have to do is just click the autofill, and now all of the rest of the cells will be filled with the number according to the order. So that's the way how to do the autofills. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.